Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power to your HVAC at the breaker or furnace switch. This protects circuits and the nest. Next, open the thermostat cover and label each wire using the provided stickers so you know which terminal is which. Make sure to verify whether a 24-volt common wire, C-wire, is present. If not, you will either use the Nest power connector or a C-wire adapter. Once done, remove the old thermostat carefully, keeping screws and wall plate for measurements. You position the Nest base on the wall, use a level, and mark holes, then drill and install anchors if the wall is drywall. Next, feed the labeled wires into the Nest base one at a time, matching stickers to terminals: W to heat, Y to AC compressor, G to fan, R to power, C to common. Make sure wires are fully seated. Tug gently to confirm. Then reconnect power to test system responses and let the Nest run its startup checks before attaching the display. You complete the setup by attaching the Nest display and following on-screen prompts to connect Wi-Fi, select system type, and enter heating/cooling stages. This lets Nest control your system properly. Make sure to run the built-in heat and cool tests so the thermostat can verify each terminal and cycle the equipment. Once configured, set your schedule, eco temperatures, and home/away preferences so Nest optimizes comfort and energy. If the unit doesn't power or control HVAC,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.